Hello everyone, I'm Smith, the safety officer in a manufacturing plant. Though we have a very strict equipment safety inspection and maintenance policies, but it's completely manual and takes hours of time to check safety guidelines in each machines to prevent any incident could happen. As we have to look into multiple papers for various checklists and manuals to perform inspection, I am also responsible to make sure that the machine is in a proper state. Preventive and predictive inspections happen frequently and periodically to avoid unwanted downtimes. We create PM and PDM calendars to execute maintenance activity in time. But there is no pre-notification system to aware team on when and which machine to inspect. Because everything manual, I spend hours of time to draft reports for my management. I've been asking my team to do all this manually for so many years, but recently I came across to a next-gen digital solution THZ safety application to digitalize end-to-end activities. THZ safety application is a breakthrough in the equipment inspection and maintenance activity, as it automates the inspection process and enables you to create your own checklist dynamically and sequentially in just few minutes. All the predefined created checklist could act as a guide for the inspection person in the process as it guides with every step needed to perform inspection. You can generate QR code which could be pasted on the components and scanned to download information with checklist and manuals linked to it. In preventive and predictive maintenance, the biggest challenge was to put in place a calendar for every machine for the team to follow and generate year-end report on planned versus actual. But after using THZ Safety Maintenance Planner, it is like game of few seconds. Populate the PM and PDM calendar, could be seen to team. It also generates various reports like how many maintenance performed, what was the downtime, how many times components replaced, who performed what, employee productivity on daily, weekly, monthly and yearly basis. To know more about it, please request a demo and reach us at on below details.